Hello, and welcome to Simplify Learning, the channel where we break down complex concepts in business analytics into easy-to-understand videos. In today's video, we're going to be discussing data analysis techniques and how they're used to extract insights from large and complex datasets. The 4 parts of data analysis are: Part 1, Exploratory data analysis. Part 2, Descriptive analytics. Part 3, Predictive analytics. Part 4, Prescriptive analytics. Exploratory data analysis. The first data analysis technique we're going to discuss is exploratory data analysis. This technique is used to gain insights into the data, identify patterns, and uncover any anomalies. It involves analyzing the data visually and statistically to understand its distribution, correlation, and central tendency. To perform exploratory data analysis, you need to start by visualizing the data using techniques such as histograms, scatterplots, and box plots. This will help you identify any trends or patterns in the data. You can also calculate summary statistics such as mean, median, and mode to understand the central tendency of the data. Descriptive analytics. The next data analysis technique is descriptive analytics. This technique is used to summarize and describe the data. It involves calculating summary statistics such as mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation to gain a deeper understanding of the data. To perform descriptive analytics, you need to start by calculating the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. You can also create frequency tables and pie charts to understand the distribution of the data. This will help you identify any outliers or anomalies in the data. Predictive analytics. The third data analysis technique is predictive analytics. This technique is used to predict future outcomes based on historical data. It involves using statistical models such as regression analysis, time series analysis, and machine learning algorithms to predict future trends and patterns in the data. To perform predictive analytics, you need to start by selecting the appropriate statistical model based on the nature of the data and the problem you're trying to solve. You also need to split the data into training and testing sets to validate the accuracy of the model. Prescriptive analytics. The final data analysis technique is prescriptive analytics. This technique is used to provide recommendations on how to improve future outcomes based on the predicted results. It involves using optimization models and decision-making algorithms to determine the best course of action to take. To perform prescriptive analytics, you need to start by analyzing the predictions made by the predictive model. You can then use optimization models such as linear programming or decision-making algorithms such as decision trees to determine the best action to take. This will help you make informed decisions and optimize business processes to achieve the desired outcomes. Data analysis techniques are essential in extracting insights from large and complex datasets. Exploratory data analysis helps to identify patterns, descriptive analytics helps to summarize the data, predictive analytics helps to predict future outcomes, and prescriptive analytics helps to provide recommendations for improvement. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding the various data analysis techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on business analytics. Thank you for watching.